I recently had a prospective DUI client come into my office, and she had told me that she took a breath test and wanted to know if her case was still defendable, even though she blew over the legal limit. And I told her it absolutely is defendable. In Florida, all breath tests are conducted on an instrument called an Intoxilizer 8000. And all the agencies in Florida have this instrument, and they're required to do monthly detailed inspections on it to make sure that it's calibrated properly. And then once a year, it's actually sent to the Florida Department of Law Enforcement in Tallahassee for a more vigorous calibration test. And it's looking in these records where a skilled criminal defense lawyer can often find errors in the calibration of the Intoxilizer 8000. That's one way to defend a breath test. Then there are all these things that happen during the breath test that if the law enforcement officer doesn't do properly, we can successfully challenge the breath test. For instance, I have a case right now where, and it's all on video, during the breath test, prior to the breath test, the police are required to conduct a 20-minute observation period of the suspect. And it's often during this 20-minute observation period where the police mess up. And that's because they don't keep an eye on the suspect, and that suspect could regurgitate or burp, and that will inflate the value of the breath test. And oftentimes we can challenge that. And there are many other instances of steps that the police need to take when conducting a breath test that if they don't do, leads to a challenge. If you find yourself in a situation similar to my prospective client, please don't hesitate to give me a call at 954-270-0769. Someone answers the phone 24 hours a day.